Hello everyone. So we have a question here. This is a question. So look at the question. What is given? So you are giving some of the information to calculate the railway ticket. Design a class railway ticket. So this is the class name here, railway ticket. Okay. Then in the instance variable, the other informations are given. That is string name, coach, a long data type, that is mobile number. There is space in between them, so you do not have to keep space. Okay, so mob no, so keep it as one. You can put a underscore to make it one, or join the both words mob and no, join them. Okay, then int amt, int total amount. So MOB will keep the mobile number to store basic amount of the ticket. So, for example, let's consider the price of the ticket is suppose 200 rupees. This is the base fare, and the total amount is like, it depends on the type of coaches you are traveling in. Okay, the type of coaches are given down there. So first AC, second AC, third AC, sleeper. So if you're traveling in a sleeper coach, so you have to pay the base fare, that is 200 rupees. If you're getting some extra services like AC, so you wanted air conditioned coach, so for that you have to pay for the third tier AC, where there will be a lot of people with you, so it will be like 250 rupees with the base fare of 200 rupees. And if you are going for a second tier or second class AC, so it will be like 500 rupees. And for the first class AC, you have to pay the extra. So this is the updated value. Okay, the total amount will be 200, the base fare, which we will input into the program. Then 700 more that you have to add. So that is, this is to be calculated in the void update function. So you have given some functions. This is word accept to get all the informations, necessary information, to input all the necessary informations like name, coach, mobile number, and the base fare, the amount. This is the basic amount of the ticket. Okay, word update, in the word update you have to do this mathematical calculation. So nothing, very easy. This is directly straightforward. Then word display to print all the details, obviously. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so okay, so first of all, class name is, it's a railway ticket, ticket, railway ticket. Okay, then you have to write import java dot util dot scanner, semicolon. Okay, now under railway ticket, now the instant variables you have to write as it is given. So string name, then you have coach, 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 then a long data type. So you have to write mob no. If you want to keep some space in between the two words, then you can put underscore. Okay, do not write separate two words for one thing. Okay, so there should not be any space in between a variable name, remember this thing. Amt amount, then total amount, amt. So these are all the variables. Now void accept. Within this function we are going to accept all the details, like we have to declare a scanner object. insert the scanner object. After the scanner object, you ask for the details as mentioned in the questions, like name, coach, mobile number, amount. So system.out.println what, enter the name, name of passenger. Okay, the name. So semicolon, name equals to in dot next line. So this thing you have to write next line. Okay, I'm copying the line because the next thing I'm going to take input is another string. Enter the name. After the name, you have to enter the coach. COACH, coach type. Okay. The variable will be coach. Let me zoom it out. Okay, now this is very small. Okay, this is good. It is actually better. Okay, let me bring this down. Okay, so this is what I have written. Okay, enter the name. Inside void accept, we have entered the name, then the coach. Then what else we need? We need to enter the mobile number. Enter the mobile number. Okay, what kind of variable I've taken? It is mov underscore mov underscore number. Okay, mobile number. Then we have amount, the base fare. Enter the basic. Okay, it's AMT. Okay, AMT, and since these are int, you have to write int. Int base. Mobile number is long. Okay, next long, right? Then total amount, you don't have to take that input because you are going to calculate the total amount to be paid. The next function or next method is void update. So here something serious you have to do. Okay, so there is this criteria is given. This is the criteria. Okay, so you have to make changes, you have to update the value according to the criteria. So remember, we have taken the basic amount in AMT. Okay, so we are now going to create the total amount. Okay, now so there are some conditions, like if coach COACH, if the coach type is, the coach type you have entered is what, equal to first AC, if I RST first underscore AC. Okay, so remember, in Java you cannot use this equal to operator for comparison of two strings. Okay, right? So you have to use dot equals EQQALS. So inside the equals bracket, you have to place the string. Okay, now there you go. So this will literally generate the true or false value for if statement. Okay, so when the user is asked to enter the coach type, the user actually have to type what, first AC, second AC, third AC, or sleeper. So the user actually have to type. Okay, so considering that, we will have to use this dot equals, because coach is a string type data. Here you see coach is a string type data. So to compare a string with another string, you have to use this dot equals function. Okay. So if it's so, then the total amount will be total. Okay. Total AMT amount equals to how much? The amount, the basic fare plus 700, which is given in the table. Okay. Else if the coach equals is second, SECOND. If second AC is selected, then total AMT equals AM plus 500. Okay. So now, else if it is third AC, it will be 250. Finally, else is okay. So now in the else section, there will be, it is for sleeper. So for sleeper, there will be no change. Okay, total AMT equals to AMT out. Okay, there is no extra charge, no need to update the value. So finally, we have calculated the updated price. Then you have to display void display. So display display. Within void display, what you have to print the informations like line, like name, then we have coach, which type is coach, then total amount, after total amount you have this what else, mobile number, sorry, mobile number, MOB. There you go. Now you are done with all the codes. Now in the main method, what you have to do, you have to create the object of the class. Class name is railway railway ticket. Object name is obj equals to new railway ticket semicolon. So we have created the object. Now we will call the method. So object name, then the method name. First method name is accept, double CEPT accept, then obj dot update, then obj dot display. Okay, so there you go. Your answer is complete now. Write a main method to create an object of the class and call the above number methods. So finally, you have created your program. So you have your main method, Then above the main method, you have the display method. Then above it, you have the update method, which updates the total amount. Then you have your accept method, which accepts all the necessary informations like name, post type, mobile number, the basic amount of, for travel. Okay, so this is it. Thank you. For 3 lines only. Okay, so all the best for your exams.